Hello dear students, good morning everyone. This is the fourth revision lecture, and in this lecture today we will discuss about the concept of electric power, and also we will discuss about the relationship between momentum and kinetic energy. Because in earlier lecture we were discussed what about the work types and energy types, and then the derivation of kinetic energy, potential energy, and also we will discuss about the concept of work energy theorem. So in today's lecture we will discuss about only one, the remaining concept of power and the relationship of kinetic energy and momentum, just starting from relation between relationship between kinetic energy and momentum. Very simple concept, relationship between kinetic energy and momentum, that is P. Kinetic energy, as we are knowing that when a body is moving, then the energy appears in the form of kinetic energy. Or you say that the energy on behalf of motion, the energy of a body on behalf of motion is defined as kinetic energy. So kinetic energy formula we are knowing, K is equal to half mv square. Take this one equation 1, and then momentum formula, momentum P is equal to mv, then put the value of v is equal to what, P by m, P by m. We have to put the value of v in equation 1. Then see, kinetic energy is equal to 1 upon 2 m, that is P upon m square. So this becomes what, 1 upon 2 m P square upon m square. 1 m cancel out, and 2 m in denominator multiplying with kinetic energy, 2 m Ke is equal to what, P square. P square is equal to 2 m K, or simply Ke, no matter, we can write anyone. Then P is equal to under root 2 m K. This is the required relationship between momentum and kinetic energy. Clear? Very easy relationship. Only one, the kinetic energy formula and momentum formula, when you are knowing, then you can derive simply by putting the value of v from momentum concept in kinetic energy formula at the place of v, that is what, P by m square. Here at the place of v, P by m, then square means what, P square upon m square. 1 m cancel out, then by cross multiplying with 2m in Ke, 2m Ke is equal to what, P square. Then P is equal to what, taking square root, then becomes what, under root 2m Ke. This is the required relationship between kinetic energy and momentum. And just after this, the next one concept is power. Just note down this one, very easy. And then concept of power, that is rate of doing work. Rate of doing work. When we are doing work, and then if the work is estimated with respect of time, then it is said to be what, power. The time rate of doing work, the time rate of doing work the time rate of doing work is defined as power. Here the power is said to be the reference of any working device or any one person or any agent. Whenever the work is done with respect to time, then that work is defined as power. So definition concept in the formulation form: P is equal to what? W by T. Power is equal to work upon time. And work, we are knowing that force into displacement. Then F into S upon T. Clear? Then F into S upon T whenever taken together. Then S upon T means what? Displacement upon time. That is velocity. So F into V. This is another relation. Power is equal to force into velocity. Power is equal to force into velocity. Clear? And the SI unit of power, very simple. SI unit of power is watt or joule per second. Watt or joule per second. In any way, we can write either power directly unit watt or in the form of work and time, that is joule per second, where 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. Clear? 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. Very simple concept. 1 watt is equal to 1 joule per second. So the concept of power, that is very easy. Listen again. Whenever work is done by any person or by any agent or by any machine, and the work is calculated with respect to time, then that work is said to be what? Power. Or you say that in simple form, the time rate of doing work is defined as power. Clear? So just after power, another important concept, that is what? Kilowatt hour. Kilowatt hour, this is important unit of energy. And which type of energy? Electrical energy. Just see the concept of kilowatt hour. Let's note down all these terms. Very easy. Kilowatt hour. This is the last term related to this topic. What? Work, energy and power. Kilowatt hour. Very important and very easy topic. Kilowatt hour. Kilowatt means what? 1000 watt, and hour means that is 60 minute, or we say that 60 into 60, 36, 100 second. Listen again about the concept of kilowatt hour. When an electric appliance of power 1 kilowatt, used up to 1 hour, then the energy consumed by that particular device is said to be what? 1 kilowatt hour. And this is also known as what? Commercial unit of energy, or we say that board of trade unit. So 1 kilowatt hour, see, 1 kWh is equal to 1 kilowatt into 1 hour. And 1 kilowatt means 1000 watt, and 1 hour means 3600 second. Clear? And that is equal to 1000 watt means joule per second, and into 3600 second cancel, so 36 lakh joule. 1 kWh is equal to 36 lakh joule. Clear? Or in simple term, in standard form, this 1 kWh is equal to 3.6 into 10 power 6 joules. This is the exact value of kilowatt hour in the terms of joule. Clear? Power 6 joule. So in this way the whole revision of this chapter completed. If further any confusion going on, then you can ask. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.